एक अंदर की बात बताऊं, it's very easy to control someone's life once you know how to control their decisions. And the most easiest way to control any person's decisions is by influencing their choices. Hello, everyone, and welcome back once again. Today, we complete our 46th book of the 52 Weeks, 52 Books Challenge. And interestingly, this week we have completed not one but two amazing books. Books that will help you learn how to influence a person's choices and thereby take complete control of their lives. They are The Illusion of Choice and The Choice Factory. The illusion of choice speaks about 16 and a half psychological biases, whereas the choice factory speaks about 25 behavioral biases that influence our choices, or say for that matter, the decisions that we make, particularly in the context of the things that we buy. So, if you are an entrepreneur, let me quickly give you a heads up on how understanding these biases and learning how to implement them will help you grow your business. Speaking of the 16 and a half psychological biases explained in the illusion of choice, biases like make it easy and the generation effect and learning how to influence them will help you immensely improve your branding and customer retention. Biases like the key heuristics, precision, concreteness, the red sneakers effect, and the halo effect will help you increase trust, credibility, and desirability among your customers. Framing will help you create a lot of urgency among your customers to buy your product, whereas fairness will help you make them pay more for any particular product. Now, speaking of influencing the denominator neglect bias, this will help you make any expensive product appear reasonably affordable, and by using extreme aversion, you will be able to make your customers buy exactly that product which you want them to buy. Similarly, understanding how to influence the 25 psychological biases described in the choice factory will help you improve your sales as well as your repeat sales. It'll help you increase your revenue by increasing your customers' frequency of transaction as well as the average purchase amount. And not just that, understanding how to influence these biases will help you drastically improve the purchase experience and satisfaction of your customers and help you create a very unique and distinctive position in the market. Most importantly, in this book, you learn how to influence all these biases to make your product appear extremely reasonable and worth their price. Now, interestingly, the author not only explains all these different psychological and behavioral biases in detail, but also makes sure that every concept is backed up by solid research, data, and multiple experiments. The best part, however, is the fact that both these books don't simply teach you techniques but also tell you how to implement all these techniques in your day-to-day business. Now, going beyond business, if you study these biases more deeply, you realize that they don't just influence our buying behavior but also have a huge influence on the way we think, we feel, act or make decisions. So zahir si baat hai that if you study and learn how to influence these psychological or behavioral biases, then you'll be able to influence anyone's choices and decisions just like that. Now, please note that both these books are not for beginners. So, if you already have some sort of experience or interest in psychology or behavioral science, then and only then you must make sure to read these books without fail.